Good morning, children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths. Exercise number 2.3. Today you learn for the topic for LCM. Here given the number for 10 and 15. This is for example sum. Here given for two numbers. So first you take for 8. 8 into for 8 is coming for the 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So write down for here. First here 2 table. So 2 4s are 8. Write the number 4. Then next 4 is coming for 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Then next here the number 2. Right now 2 table. 2 1s are 2. This is the tables product only. Here taken for the 12. 12 is coming for the 2 table. How many times? 6 times. 6 2s are 12. So write the 6. Next do now 2 table. 3 2s are 6. Then next 3. 3 1s are 3. Till reach the 1 you stop for this division. This is for one type of method of division. So this is called for LCM method. So here do the numbers for 2 table. All the numbers is doing here 2 table only. So 8 is number. Do for 2 table, 2 table, 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. You get the 8? This is the correct method. Then here take the 12 is do for 2 table, 2 table, 3 table. So here write for 2 table, 2 table and 3 table. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this is the correct method you do for the LCM. Easy to find out. This steps is completed. You check whether you get the same number. That is the correct method of LCM. Okay. Then you do for last one solution. LCM of number 8 and 12. So 2 is a common. Both the number is doing here. Here also both the number is doing for 2 table. So write only one time 2. Then again one time 2. Then remaining 2 numbers is here separately. So you write join here 2 and 3. This one 1. Here ones. So this one 1. So totally you write for 3 times 2. 2, 2, 2. Then write for 3. Now you find out 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So this is the LCM. LCM is a least common multiplies. Okay, already you learned for this multiplication. That one table is used to do for factors, common multiplies. Now you learn for LCM. Okay, children. This is for in your book exercise 2.3 given for the LCM. Number is 12, 28, then 16, 24, 8, 14, 30 and 20. This 4 numbers is given to you. Ready to do now in your class of children. Roman letter 7. Find LCM of the given numbers. Number is 12 and 28. So take the number 12. 2 6 are 12. So write 2 table 6 times. Then 6. 2 3s are 6. Write 2 table 3 times. Then take 3. 3 table 1 time. Then next one number 28. So use the table for 2 table. 2 14s are 28. Then again take for 2 table. 2 7s are 14. So 2 7s are 14. Then again take for 7 table. 7 1s are 7. Till reach the 1. Then complete for this division method. So take the number 12. 2 table, 2 table, 3 table. So this one the method to write. Then next one 28. 2 table, 2 table and 7 table. So this is this number. So this two numbers for 2 table. This two numbers also 2 table. Then 3 table and 7 table. So write here LCM of 12 and 28. 1 time, 2 time, 1 time and 2 times 2. Then 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. So totally you find out and do the multiplication now. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are 84. 84 is the answer. Okay children, you understand now LCM method. Then next one Sam, 16 and 24. So take the number 16 and 24. 16 is coming for 2 table how many times? Yes, 2 8s are 16. So write the number 8 here. 2 8s are 16. This is the correct method. Then again 2 is coming for 2 table. Yes. How many times? 2 4s are 8. Then again 4 is coming for 2 table. Yes. 2 2s are 4. Then again you write 2 is coming for 2 1s are 2. Till reach 1 you stop. Now next number 24. So 2 table, 2 12s are 24. Then 12 you do for 2 table, 6 times, 6 2s are 12. Then again you do for 2 table, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then you do for again 3 table. 3 1s are 3. So take it out and write now. 16 multiply factors for 2, 2, 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Correct? Okay. The next one 24. Here 2 table, 2 table, again 2 table, again 3 table. Then you write, check now, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, this is correct? Okay. Then you do for LCM. LCM of 16 and 24 equal to, this is the common for 2 table 1 time. Then again 1 time for common for 2 table. Again 1 time for common 2 table. So you take it out and write now number 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 1 2 3 times. Then again one more time. Then 3. So you totally find out now 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48. So this is the answer. Then next one third sum. Number is given to you 8 and 14. Same method. So 8 is coming for 8. 8 is coming for 2 table. 2 4s are 8. Then 4 is coming for 2 2s are 4. Then 2 is coming for 2 1s are 2. Yeah, 14. 2 table, 2 7s are 14. So take now 7 table, 7 1s are 7. So take it out and write now 2 table, 2 table, 2 table. Here 2 table and 7 table. So 8 is 2 2 2. 14 is 2 7. Then find out the LCM for common number is 2 only one time. Again 1 time, 2 time, then 7. So 2 2 2. 3 times 2, then 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. The next fourth one sum, number 30 and 20. 30 is due now, 2 table, 2 15s are 30. Then 15 is coming for 3 table, 3 5s are 15. 15 is not coming for 2 table. 5 is end. So even number only come for the 2 table. So this is the 5 odd number. So you can do for 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 is coming for 5 ones are 5. The next one 20. 2 table, 2 tens are 20. Then do for 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Then again 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Then 30 number is coming for 2 table, 3 table and 5 table. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Then next one 20 is coming for 2 table, 2 table and 5 table. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. The next final answer LCM of 30 and 20. 2 is common, 5 is common. So only one time. Then 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 32s are 60. 60 is the answer. This is the LCM method. The next one, word problem. Ramya visit the gym 5 days once and Kavita visit the gym 6 days once. In which day will they meet each other? Ramya and Kavita, we are going for gym. Ramya is going for 5 days once. Kavita is going for 6 days once. But both are meet which one day? That is the question is here. So first you write the step for Ramya visit the gym 5 days once. So 5th day, 10th day, 3rd day, 20th day, 25th day, 30th day. So 5 skip counting you write. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Kavita is visited the gym for 6 days once. So write for 6 skip counting. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So which one is a common number is coming now? Common multiplies already you know. So which one is a common multiplies number? 30 is a common multiplies. So both are meet in a day of 30th. Both are meet in a day of 30th day meet together. Okay children, you understand now? The next one, some last one. Arun and Sajagan goes for walking in a circular path of a park in the same direction. Arun takes 6 minutes to complete one round, while Sajagan takes 8 minutes to complete one round. In how many minutes will they meet each other? So Arun and Sajagan going to walking for the nearby park. Both are walk for the circular path. So one round is taken for Arun, completed for 6 minutes. Sajagan take for 8 minutes. So both are meet for the time. You find out now. That is the question. So first step, Arun takes to complete one round 6 minutes once. So write for 6 skip counting. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Sajagan takes the time to complete one round for 8 minutes. So 8 skip counting. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So which one is a common number? Which one for common multiplies? Here given for the number is 24 is common. So they will meet for 24 minutes once both are meet together. Okay children, you understand this one for the word problem. So easy to find out. You know the skip counting. Then find out the common multiplies. That is the answer. Okay children, unit 2 is completed. Shall I move now unit 3 patterns? Unit 3 patterns. Patterns means already you studied this patterns in your geometry. example in your life, day-to-day life, you use for the tiles. The floor is decorating using the tiles to make the design. So a tiling a floor is without gap. That one shape is called a overlap. So this is the example of the tiles. This design to make to your home to decorate or restaurant or anyone complex, shopping complex, all those place is decorated, easy to people to attract that place. That patterns is helpful to in your life. Unit 3 patterns. Patterns in geometry, write in your definition. Tile. A tiling of a plane is a collection of subset of the plane. Example, tiles which cover the plane without gap or overlaps. I show now example. So this is the example. Here not having the gap, that's why it is called for the overlap. Okay children. First unit you studied for the geometry. 0 degree angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. So here triangle, where to angle form? Yes, taken the two lines joined to meet here, that one place is produced for the angle. Here also produced for this angle. Here also produce the angle. Okay children, you understand now where to find out the angle measurement. So already you studied. Use the protractor and starting place. Then keep the red line for only black to 0 degree angle. So here to produce the angle measurement. So this is for called the angle. Okay children, you understand now. So here straight line is having for 0 to up to line 180. So this is the 180 divided for 3 part. That's why taken here 60 plus 60 plus 60 equal to 180. So here taken for this, look here 60, then again here to count now 60. Here use the angle measurement. So this is the line 0 line. So first line, so count for up to 60. Then again you count here, this one, yes, here for 0. So 0 to you count the counting here 60. So totally you get for triangle, the sum of the triangle is having for 180 degree. That's why this is the all the measurement is 60. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 equal to you get for 180. So same thing here use for the straight line. So straight line is divided for 3 part. So each part is get for the 60. Total is 180. So here this one shape is having for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So this is called for hexagon. All the sides join together. Then you get for the angle measurement here. This is the angle. Join the line. Both the line, two lines is joined. That place is produced for this angle measurement. So this is called for the angle measurement. So how many angles is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one circle is having for 360. One circle is having for this 360 degree. Here you find out, take now circle. You get the circle here now. That's why circle is having for totally 360. One part is having for 60. 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. You get now 360. Then next one. Find the angle of a square. Draw the square. That square, all the lines is joined together. that one placed to produced for the angle measurement. So here also you get for the square circle. So 360 degree. So 360 degree is divided for 1, 2, 3, 4 part. So 360 degree divided by 4 equal to 90. All the lines is straight line. So straight line you already you know what is the measurement straight line is getting for right angle. Right angle is 90 degree. So all the angle measurement is get for 90. So 360 is a circle, but is divided for 4 part you get for 90. Before that you divide for spots. So you get for 360. Each one part is having for 60. Okay children, you understand now where to form the angle. Exercise number 3.1. Find the angle of the given shape using the equilateral triangle. So here given for the trapezium, both the line is joined, that place is produced for angle. Here find the angle measurement. Given shapes, use the quadrant here. So here given for trapezium, 1, 2, 3, 4 places produced for the angle measurement. The next one diamond. So rhombus, this is taken for 1, 2, 3, 4 places to get the angle measurement. The next one Sam. Take the rectangle shape. Then you get the angle measurement is here. Take the circle produced here circle. So circle is 360 degree divided by 4. So each one part is having for the 90 degree. Okay children. Thank you.